Hello everyone, and welcome to our tutorial on how to extract a still image from a video on your PC. It's a handy trick that can be useful for various purposes, so let's dive right in. First, click in the search bar next to the Start Windows icon. Type Windows Media Player in the search bar. In the search results, click on the Windows Media Player app. The Windows Media Player app will open. If your video is in the default Videos folder of Windows, then click on Videos from the left side. Select a video for which you want to get a still image. Click on the Play button. This will start playing your video. Now, click and drag the slider of the Windows Media Player to the frame for which you want to take the still. Click on the Pause button. Click on the View Full Screen icon at the bottom right. Press the Windows key and the Print Screen key at the same time on your keyboard. This will take the screenshot of the video. Now, click on the File Explorer icon at the bottom taskbar. Go to the Pictures folder in your Windows, and then double-click on the Screenshots folder to open it. Voila! We have created a still image from the video in JPG format. Wasn't that quick and easy? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.